Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Bilal AI Universe YouTube channel. So today in this video, we're going to talk about another very important niche that's going really viral nowadays. So take a look at this YouTube channel, you guys. This YouTube channel was just created like few months ago, as you guys can see, and already with this just 100 short videos, it has gained over like 775 million views, right? And it's gained like 743k subscribers in an only like just 3-4 months. And if you take a look at this YouTube channel, so you guys can see the videos he posts are all about football shorts, like Messi and Ronaldo in some scenarios. And if you take a look at the views, so he's gaining like 82 million views, 68 million views. Like a lot of his videos are more than like 10, 20, 30 million. So yeah, that is literally insane. So the idea is really simple. You need to go ahead and basically take some famous footballers. It can be Ronaldo, Messi, Neymar, anyone, and you have to basically create a scenario and a scene out of that, right? So yeah, today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can create these kind of videos very easily. And with just few steps you can create these kind of shorts and start uploading them on YouTube and gain millions of views and like lots of subscribers in no time. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, so first of all, for creating these kind of videos, the main thing is you need to have a clear idea in your mind. Like first of all, I have this idea in my mind. So I said Messi gets arrested, interrogation scene with a twist. Plot is Messi and Speed are caught in a crime. Speed blames Messi. Police chief walks in. Turns out it's Ronaldo in uniform. He takes off glasses, leans in and says, Messi, you forgot who ruins the city. And this was basically my idea. So after that, I basically, you can say, eliminated Speed out of that. So it's just now Ronaldo and Messi, and this is basically what I said in my first prompt. So you guys can see I basically inputted so many prompts into ChatGPT until I get my final prompt that I can use to go ahead and create images first of all, and then I can use those images to animate into videos later, right? So don't worry, you don't have to do all of the work, because now I have just crafted a simple prompt for you, which will basically contains all the necessary information. I have basically included all of my important instructions, like each prompt will start with ultra realistic, always includes keywords like detail, face, sharp quality, realistic, consistent outfits. The output images must be in 9:16 aspect ratio, because obviously we're creating a short format right over here. And then I also inputted my story, like what the story is going to be, and also my every instruction that I need. So this is just a one prompt that you'll be need to create your story. And if you want to go ahead and create some other stories, you can obviously have that same important instructions. Just go ahead and change the story right over here, like this plot sequence. You can change that to any you like, and you can create yourself an amazing another shot, and you can keep on creating. Like, that's how simple it is. So first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and simply copy all of this prompt, come into the new tab of my ChatGPT, and simply paste this right over here. That's it. Like, this is how what you guys need to do. I'm gonna provide this prompt down in the description for you guys. Okay, so after I input this prompt, so you guys can see that's already started working on it. So here are the sequence of prompts. So the frame one is ultra realistic shot of Messi sitting on a cold prison bench inside a dimly lit lockup cell. So our frame one is Messi in cell. Frame 2 is cop outside bars calling Messi, then Messi rising from the bench, Messi standing inside a cell. So we have now our 6 prompts ready to go, right? And then it's saying you wanted to continue with part 2. I'm say all right, continue with part 2. So now it's going to generate me more prompts in order to finish my story. So yeah, you guys can see now I have my part 2 of the prompt: frame 7, frame 8, frame 9, frame 10, frame 11, frame 12, right? So yeah, these are all of my prompts ready to go. So now comes our next step. We need to go ahead and create images out of these prompts. So first of all, I'm going to start with the first prompt, come into another tab of ChatGPT, simple, and simply paste all of my prompts right over here one by one and create images. All right, so here we go, guys. I basically, done my second step of creating images. I had inputted all of my prompts right over here, as you guys can see. So here is my first prompt, and for that, it provided me with this image of Messi sitting in a cell, on a bench in a cell, and you guys can take a look, like how beautifully it has created the face of Messi, and the images look absolutely perfect. Like only ChatGPT can do this kind of magic. It can create absolutely amazing results in which the face of Messi would be very, very visible and good. And then we have Ronaldo right over here. So now we're gonna go ahead and use all of these images to create videos, and then we're gonna edit that, and then we're gonna create a perfect shot that I'm gonna show you guys. Okay. Okay, so now for our next step of animating our images into videos, we're gonna use design.ai. You can also use VO3, but for me, the design.ai is very, very capable and very efficient. So we're gonna go to the home page and simply go to the image to video section of design.ai. And over here, you simply need to go ahead and replace your image. First of all, I'm going to upload the first image of Messi, who was sitting inside of a cell. Then I'm going to simply need to go ahead and provide all of my images in design AI one by one. And for this, the prompt would be very simple. I'm going to simply type Messi sitting inside of cell worried, okay? And simply need to click on generate. And similarly, I'm gonna upload my second image over here as well. Here we go. And for that, I'm gonna provide my prompt like Messi looking towards the right or left, you can say, in worry. And also we can provide our camera motion like camera panning, okay? And I'm gonna click on generate for this as well. And similarly, you're gonna go ahead and create all of your videos with Design AI just like that, one by one, you guys, okay? Alright, so once all of my videos are done, so I have downloaded them on my PC right over here. You guys can see here was my first video. Take a look at this. This looks absolutely perfect. And then similarly, I have my second one where Messi is looking towards the left. Camera is moving as well. Then I have the third one right over here. Then my fourth one. And similarly, I basically created all of my videos with the help of design.ai right over here that I simply showed you guys, okay? Alright, so now the next thing is we need to go ahead and basically edit all of our clips together. You can do that in CapCut or, like Adobe Premiere Pro, but I'm going to use Filmora because that's the most convenient for me. I'm going to simply go ahead and, like drop my all of the clips right over here just like that. Alright, here we go. And simply I'm going to go ahead and import all of them to my timeline here one by one. So I'm going to simply go ahead and do that. Here is my first one right over here. Alright, so once it's done, so the next step is we need to go ahead and provide some background music, some sound effects. So for that, I also want to go ahead and add some dialogue. So for that, the process is really simple. We need to go ahead and go to 11 Labs. Make sure you have some dialogues download with you so you can choose any voice in 11 Labs that you like. So let's just say over here, I can include some dialogues on this part where the police officer is speaking. So I can say, let's just say my dialogue is, so was that really you who stole the Ballon d'Or? Because this is you guys know is the short about some thing Messi is stealing. So this dialogue could be a good, and we can add some more dialogues in between that I'm going to show you guys. So was stole the Ballon d'Or? Okay, we can do that, and simply you can create all of your dialogues in 11 Labs very easily. I'm going to click on generate speech.
So was that really you who stole the Ballon d'Or?
Okay, yeah, that looks good. I'm gonna simply download this from here. Okay, so once all of my dialogues are downloaded as well, I'm gonna simply import those into my timeline over here as well, just like that. And simply I'm gonna drag this to whatever they are required. Okay, here's good. Second one I'm gonna do in the front, and third one I can do right over here. Okay, and then you can also include some background music. Do a little bit of editing according to your need, that whatever you think is trending that suits your requirements. So I'm going to simply go ahead and do that. And once everything is done, you can simply go ahead and export your video in 9:16 aspect ratio, and let me show you the final output, you guys. Okay.
Man, Saudi ayer tinto gel, bro.
All right, so there you have it, guys. This is how easily you can go ahead and create, some football shorts very easily with the help of different scenarios. So this was just an example. I showed you my way that you can go ahead and, just create football shorts according to a scenario using famous celebrities like Messi and Ronaldo, and you can like create different scenes out of that. So yeah, that's it for today, you guys. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.